It's not really what I want. Hello, this is Mr. Harrington with some instructions for Year 7 on how to upload your completed work from Renegade Hero to Class Notebook. Okay, you all know how to get on the lessons. It's bit.ly. If you click in any of the lessons, you can see Renegade Hero, which is your lessons for this week, or the next foreseeable weeks. But school email and Class Notebook is where people are not able to remember. It's exactly the same as in the lesson. You click that, something like this will open. It's just Microsoft. Okay, you need to be in Class Notebook. Hopefully click that and it will open, or you might have the last one down the bottom. The last time you were on it says recent. Your class should be there. Get the correct class. When you've opened your Class Notebook, this may open by mistake. If it does, you want the 9 dots and try and find your class. This is what you need, your Class Notebook with all your work in. Obviously we're not in Carol. It might open with Carol because that's what you were on last time. It should be in Renegade Hero. Now this is not hard to see. You've got Mission 1 for your Mission 1 ID cards. If you've got nothing there, you're going to have to upload your ID cards or do the mission again when you get a chance. It's up to you to catch up if you miss work. Mission 2 was logo from last week. This week you're on base plans. You should be doing a base plan. You have a few questions in here which I expect you to answer. But more importantly, the work you're doing for your base plan, which is on the Renegade Hero website instructions, goes here. I'll quickly show you how to upload it. You click in your notebook. You don't leave it in the header. We don't want it in the Mission 3 header. It won't work. Somewhere over there, you need to click. Oh, let's see if I can get it in there. Even in there, anywhere you can. I'm just going to move that down, put it there, and then you click Insert and File. You will have saved your work somewhere. You must have saved it in a folder, a Renegade Hero folder. Okay, wherever you can remember. You should have saved it with a proper name. You need that so you can choose it and find it. You click Choose File. It will be on your home PC. There's my Renegade Hero. Some work in here. Let's pretend this is the work. It could say base plan or ID cards. You click on it and you click Open. I'll just click on it once more. Open. Choose File. It's got it there. Then you must click Insert. It will put it in. If you try to put it in the header, it will not work. It goes here. Then you have the work uploaded. I can then see it. This is showing progress. For each one of your missions, over the next few weeks, you do the work. You answer the questions in here. Okay, there's lots to do. You can go ahead if you wish. Answer the questions and upload the work in here. Okay, any problems, please read the lesson instructions again. If you really need help, please, you can just email me, but try to send a screen print of your problem so I can see it. I cannot read your mind. I don't know where you need the help unless you give me a print screen of the problem or describe the problem using words. Oh yes, if you wish, you could get onto Teams. The older pupils are on Teams, Microsoft Teams. If you have it, I do not mind anybody contacting me on Microsoft Teams. Okay, bye for now. Well done, and keep working on your IT and your computing. This is the best place to work for IT, remotely, where you can do the same work at home as you can in the classroom. Thank you. Bye. There's it.